I'm Jeff with XDP, and today we're here with Andrew from N-FAB. We're going to talk about the original N-FAB Nerf Steps. Andrew, tell us a bit about what we have here.
Well, the Nerf Step was the first step that N-FAB launched back 10 years ago. It uses a 3-inch heavy wall tube that fits tight to the body, with steps positioned, drop-down steps positioned on each door for ease of access for stock or lifted vehicles.
So Andrew, if I want to get a set of these steps for my truck, tell me about what I need to install them and what comes in the box.
Well, you can use basic hand tools to install them. Most of the steps installed at factory locations. There's some minor drilling on older applications. All steps come as a set with the brackets welded on.
So as you can see, we have a sample version here so that way we can fit it in the video. Andrew, tell us about the exact configurations and lengths that these come in, along with what colors I can get them in.
Nerf Steps come in 3 different configurations: wheel-to-wheel, wheel-to-wheel bed access, and cab length. They also come in 2 different colors: gloss black or textured black. And all N-FAB products have a 5-year finish, lifetime structural warranty.
So that wraps it up for the N-FAB Nerf Steps. We'd like to thank Andrew for being here today, and to find out more about N-FAB products for your truck, check out xdp.com.